To begin, we're going to use the TradingView platform, which is a popular tool among traders. We'll be focusing on the Bitcoin chart, especially utilizing the 15-minute time frame for a strategy. But keep in mind, while we're using the Bitcoin chart in this example, you can apply this buy-sell indicator strategy to various other charts such as Forex, crypto, indices, and funds. Additionally, you have the flexibility to choose from different time frames, ranging from the fast-paced 1-minute chart to the longer daily time frame, depending on your trading style and goals. We're going to be using an indicator called swing high-low and higher low, lower high indicator. This helpful tool will show us the pivot highs and lows in the chart, which will ultimately guide us to make more informed trading decisions. But before we dive into how to use it, we need to add the indicator to the chart. And here's how we do that. Go to the top section of the TradingView, locate the indicator section and give that a click. A new window should pop up. That's where we'll type in swing high low and higher low, lower high in the search tab. Hit enter and the indicator should appear in the results. Then just click on it and voila, it will be added to your chart, giving us a valuable information on support and resistance levels. As you'll see, the indicator will automatically draw the highs and lows, which is incredibly convenient and will ultimately help us make simple but profitable trades. Now, before we can use this swing high-low indicator effectively, we need to make a few adjustments. Don't worry, it's nothing too complicated. All you need to do is to head over to the indicator settings and look for the inputs tab. Once you're there, you'll see the length 1 option. Change that from 1 to 3. Then find length 2 and change that one from the default value to 7. As for the other parameters in the input section, they can stay at their default value. But hey, if you want to customize the appearance of the indicator, you can totally do that too. Just go to the Style tab and make your adjustments. It's not absolutely necessary for the indicator to work, but if you'd like to personalize it to your liking, feel free to do so. So now that we've got the swing high-low indicator set up, we need another component to complete our strategy. But before we get into that, I want to let you know about a great resource that will help you learn even more about trading, the TradeGenius YouTube channel. It's packed with over 350 videos on trading, and subscribing to it, it's completely free. Definitely worth checking out. Alright, back to our strategy. We're going to add the ADX indicator to our chart. This bad boy is going to help us a lot with our strategy. But before we use it, let's make a quick adjustments in the indicator settings. We don't need to change anything in the input section. We just want to make the ADX line a bit more visible. You can do that in the Style tab and just tweak it to your liking. Now, with our ADX indicator all set up, there's one more thing we need to do. Add a horizontal line to the ADX oscillator. This is going to help us with our strategy as well. Set the horizontal line to the number 21 and we'll be good to go. So, with the swing high-low and ADX indicators in place and properly adjusted, plus the horizontal line added, you're now ready to fully utilize this strategy. Exciting stuff, right? Now when the price crosses a support level and moves downward, traders often refer to this as a bearish breakout, essentially a sell signal. On the flip side, if the price managed to push through a resistance level, we'll be looking at a bullish breakout, a potentially buy signal. Now, you might be wondering, should we just jump on every single one of these signals without any sort of confirmation? Well, the answer is
no! God, please, no! No! No!
we'll use the ADX indicator to confirm or reject these signals. This helps us filter out any low potential trade, keeping our trading strategy as effective as possible. Here's an example. Let's say we have a bullish breakout on our hands. We've identified the signal candle. We draw a vertical line at the point and check the corresponding ADX value. If it's above 21 level, that's a good sign. It means the signal has enough momentum behind it, and our buy signal is confirmed. At this point, you'd enter a buy position. To keep things in check, we'll set a stop loss at the recent swing low, ensuring we're managing our risk effectively. As for the target, we'll aim for a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. This helps us balance potential gains with the risk we're taking on. Now, for sell trades, the process is similar but in reverse. When we spot a bearish breakout, we'll again draw a vertical line at the signal candle and check the ADX value. If it's above 21, the sell signal is confirmed and we'll enter a sell position. The stop loss would be placed at the recent swing high and would target the same risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. By incorporating the ADX indicator and following these rules, we can make more informed trading decisions and ensure we're capitalizing on the most promising signals while minimizing our risk.